Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because my Vitamix came. I'm so excited. Okay, so with the baby coming, I was like, we can't buy one of those things that makes baby food, even though for the first 6 months or so, they say, you're breastfeeding or if you're not breastfeeding, you're giving them formula. But I wanted to make my own baby food. And so I was like, we don't have a Vitamix, but I think a Vitamix would be great. So it's one of my Black Friday deals. This retails for $399.95, like $400. But it is the Vitamix 5200 Blender Professional Grade 64 ounce. And on Black Friday, it was like $234. So I was like, okay, this is time to buy it. What I didn't know is my husband planned on getting one and surprising me with it. And I'm like, he's like, oh, I was going to get you the 7500 one or something of that nature, which is kind of the same, just bigger motor and some other upgraded features. I'm like, oh no, it's Black Friday. I found a deal. I have no problems with this. So yes. And I'm unboxing it, so I'm excited. Yay! So excited. I don't think you even understand. So I'll have a lot of time to figure out how to use it. Ooh. No, let me keep this over here. Okay, so, I guess I should talk about it first, what it does, and if you're not familiar with Vitamix. Okay, it has variable speed control, easily adjust speed to achieve a variety of textures. Now, this is the tall one, the 7500 one, and also their A series. You'll be able to fit that underneath your cabinets that are low a bit, and so it's lower and wider, and it has a bigger, I was about to say bigger engine, but more power to it, like 0.2 the 7500 one does. Okay. So, large batches. The size and shape of the self-cleaning 64-ounce container is ideal for blending medium to large batches. Design feature radio cooling fan and thermal protection system. It makes hot soup, guys. The blades in the Vitamix container reach speeds fast enough to create friction heat. Crazy, right? Bringing cold ingredients to steaming hot in about 6 minutes. Hardened stainless steel blades. It's self-cleaning, drop some dish soap and warm water. Your Vitamix machine can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. What's in the box? Okay, the motor base. The motor base. Oh, wow. That's pretty big. Look at that. I'm super excited. This is super exciting. Oh, okay. I'm like, where's the plug? The plug is underneath. Okay. And what else is in the box? The 64-ounce container, which is large. Getting started guide, DVD. Is there a DVD in here? And the classic tamper, so to push things down with. This is so exciting. I'm so excited. And it has a 7-year full warranty. I hear these things last like forever and are amazing. And so I'm excited to try some smoothies. I love a good strawberry smoothie, and I'm gonna try some tomato bisque soup. I got all type of stuff I want to try. But yeah, so it goes up to 10, right? You guys know how I get when I get excited. I was super excited to try this, and it's just unboxing because I haven't tried any of the recipes. I haven't done anything with it yet because I don't know how to use it yet. So I have to read all the instructions and figure it out. I can make ice cream in this, frozen treats. I told my husband I'll make him some parsley juice. He was like, "What?" I said, "Parsley juice. Everyone drinks parsley juice." Yeah, that's exciting. Now they also have an A series that is the accent series is the smart blenders where you can press. They're digital, so because I got mine at a great deal on Black Friday, if you plan on paying regular price, I would recommend, because the 7500 I believe is like $80 more or something, and then when you get into the accent series, you can. It's comparable to some extent until you get into like the $600 ones and things of that nature, the higher accent series. But yeah, I'm really excited. And so I wanted to unbox it with you guys because that's what I do. Oh, I like this. Oh, yeah. I hope that helps you guys if it was something that you were looking at or was trying to figure out something that you wanted to get. It's just me unboxing it and just being totally excited. That's it. All right. I will see you guys next time. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys. I got a Vitamix. I sound all like I'm going to make my own baby food. Hopefully that turns out well.